Hello viewers, welcome to Olubest TV. Please, if this is the first time you are hearing my voice, you are seeing my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please, subscribe is very important. Today's video is a message. I want to give a message to all those girls, all those boys, all those women that promise something the time when they did Libya. This message is for you. You that promise God that you are going to support the work of God in Nigeria. You that promise God that you are always going to serve him until you die the time in Libya. You that do a lot of promise during the time when you did Libya. Now, you don't forget. People make a lot of promise to God that time when they did Libya. People make a lot of promise, not be small promise, big. People promise God a lot of things that time when they did the journey of Libya. People promise that time when we did White House. People promise God, if you make me to cross Mediterranean Sea, I will continue to serve you until I die. If you make me to pass this desert, if you make me to pass this journey, a lot of promise. But now, don't forget. Now you don't come Europe now. You know they go church. You don't even do any single thing. When you promise God, you don't even fulfill any of them. Now things don't they hard you in Europe. Document you no get. Work you no get. Brain you no get. If you no have work in this country, you go get brain. When you go take control things, when small things when they enter your pocket. God will make you to cross Mediterranean Sea, to pass desert, to pass a lot of temptation in Libya. Will still make you to get wisdom, to get knowledge, to get job, to get document in this country. If you fulfill your promise when you make for it. I don't know whether you don't understand me. Please share this video, like, comment and subscribe. This is a message to all those guys. If you know you promise God since during the journey of Mediterranean Sea, desert and Libya, during the time of journey of Libya, if you know you promise God since, my brother, my sister, go straight and fulfill your promise so that your life will change, so that your life will be moving forward, so that temptation no go come your way again. If you know that you promise God something, I still repeat it again. You promise God anything, the time when you did Libya, because I know that time when we did Libya, people don't they promise God something. Now I know a lot of them don't forget. Please go and fulfill it, so that you will get job, you can have document, you can get wisdom and knowledge and understanding for you to arrange your life the way you want them. Please share my message. If you know that you promise God something the time when you did Libya, please go and fulfill it. Go and fulfill your promise when you make God, because I know that people don't forget the time when you did Mediterranean Sea, the time when you did a lot of place. He promise when you promise God, brother, go and fulfill it so that your life will change here. Go and fulfill your promise when you make for God. Please share my video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Ciao, see you on my next video.